The NVG Rakshak site is advancing steadily and systematically. Major earthwork has been completed, levels have been finalized, and groundwork has been reinforced to support long-term development. Infrastructure planning is now visible on site. Internal road alignments are being executed, service corridors are under development, and core engineering activities are progressing as scheduled. Structural preparation work has begun, with teams focusing on accuracy, safety standards, and quality control at every stage. This phase reflects disciplined execution, where progress is measured, timelines are respected, and durability remains the priority. With each passing week, NVG Rakshak continues to move closer to its planned vision. This is construction driven by responsibility, guided by planning, and built to last. NVG Rakshak, progressing with precision.